everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner and welcome to my channel for a FASHOM unboxing. I'm real excited to get into my FASHOM box today. I'm glad that you have joined me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Please make sure you subscribe before you leave, and if you tap the bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a video, and I make videos all about clothing. Clothing is your bag, you're at the right place. This is my third box from FASHOM. Well, they have an app. They don't have a website. You have to download the app and fill out a style profile. You can actually pick your stylist, but all they do is show you a picture. There's no qualifications or anything like that. But you're paired with a stylist who curates a box for you, and you say, I want a box. It takes about 72 hours, and they send you a preview of that, of items that they would like to send to you. And then you can decline them or accept them. And it is my nature to accept everything because I want a stylist to style me. I want to try new things and see if a professional stylist can do a better job for me than I do for myself. But with this particular box, when I went to the preview, everything was like spaghetti straps and strapless bra type of clothing pieces, and that's not my preference. It really isn't. I'll wear a strapless bra on special occasions for a fabulous piece of clothing, but not just everyday stuff. So I did decline and actually say that there was nothing there that I was interested in trying. So it took them a few more days. They sent me another preview with some items that looked more promising, and I can't remember. It has been such a long time. With FASHOM, it takes about a month from the time you request the box to receive it, so it gives you plenty of time to forget, and everything in this box is a surprise once again. With FASHOM, my first 3 boxes, and I believe your first 3 boxes, have 0 styling fee, so that's kind of cool. On your 4th box, it's a $15 styling fee. I have a code for you below. If you use my code and referral link, you can get an additional 20% off your first box. But if you purchase 3 items in your box, you get 25% off. So there is a big incentive to find items that you like. Let's get into this box. I did want to mention that the jumpsuit that I'm wearing right now and the earrings are items that I've scored from FASHOM. So I have got some really cool pieces. I also got a pair of jeans in my last box that I love. So watch those videos and check out those unboxings. Now, this is what the box looks like, and we have our paperwork, and the return mailer is there as well, and the bundle. Let me look at the paperwork real quick. This is an exact replica of the letter that they've sent the past few times. It says, "Hi Kelly, thanks for giving us a chance to style you again. In this box, you will find styles from different vendors and different countries. All have been quality tested before sending them to you. It was amazing to spend time picking out these items for you. I can't wait to see them on you." Says, "Sorry we couldn't get the heeled sandals in silver in your size this time. We'll include it in your next box." Okay, so there was a pair of sandals that I had said they could send, which that's kind of a bummer because they were a squared heeled block sandal that in silver, which every girl needs, silver sandals. So, and then it tells me to go to the app and complete my checkout within 3 days, receive a 25% discount for keeping at least 3 items. You can leave feedback for the items and for their styling. The return label is in the box, and share your post on FASHOM and Instagram. Remember, you have to mail back the items you don't want within 3 days. Need more info or get an exchange, get in touch with them at info@fashom.com. FASHOM. And then they have the style card here. Wow, that's a lot of items, but I don't think every item is in here. Total price of the box is $229.125. What's that? Look at that. The total price. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, I'll figure that out. Let's get into the clothing. We have, this is how the shoes come. Look at these shoes first. Oops. So the shoes are wrapped in black tissue. and they feel like a suede shoe, and that's like a black lame strap there, but there's that black heel that I like so much, and an ankle strap, which I don't like at all. I have fat ankles. That's why I don't like ankle straps. And I guess I didn't notice that. So they have a little bit of cushion there. I don't know. So I'm willing to try them. And actually, even with shoes, I don't like black, but I'm gonna try these. This is what the bundle looks like, and it's certainly not fancy. Not like some of the other sub boxes. Okay, let's hope we have sizes this time. It's a UK size 10, and it is a blue dress. It's got some stretch in it. It's got an elastic cinched waist, which I'm not real crazy about. It has this ruffle detail on the bottom. So this is a maxi style dress, and first impressions, not so much. Just doesn't look like me. It's really plain, not me. This is by 9 Savannah Miller, and this is a rust colored, is it a dress? No, this is a jumpsuit. This zips up the back, and then we have this tie detail in the front. Do we have pockets? No pockets. And it's a wide leg pant, and that tie, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I know that. Okay. Kind of a flutter sleeve there. Okay. We'll try it. This looks like fun. This is by the collection Debenhans? The collection Debenhans. Okay. And this looks like a muumuu, but it's not. I hope this fits me. I wonder if it has a size. This looks small, but it's a size 10, I guess UK sizes. And this is just a cotton, like, maxi sundress. So I like the print on this. I like the colors on this. This is just a tank dress that is maxi length. And then we have, again, the collection by Debenhans. And size 10. This is another tank dress. Now, okay, but I like the colors on this one even better. Now, this is a navy and the lighter blue flowers with the white. Again, it's just a long dress. We do have the slit in the side. So, you know, I like these, and I actually have some dresses like these. These are really easy to wear. Just kind of surprised by it. My last fashion box, all the dresses were so fancy that this kind of surprises me. Now let's see. Looks like we have a jewelry piece here. I don't know if I can open these. These are the earrings. There's some type of warning on them, so maybe I should not open them if I'm not going to buy them, which is weird to me. That's just weird to me. I want to be able to try them before I buy them. That's why I do style boxes, to try before I buy. So, I don't know. This is the first dress. The brand is So-So, and I would say the dress is less than So-So. What is this? This is goofy. That's what this is. This is higher than my natural waist, so I think this just looks funny. And it's a little tight. It's around my rear end, and the ruffle here is goofy looking. I've got the shoes on. Can you see the shoes? Yeah, they're not real comfortable either. One is really floppy. The other one fits nicely. Well, kind of. It's a little floppy too. The shoes are by ASOS, which is a brand that I'm not familiar with, but actually I think I'm going to take the shoes off. I don't think I'll be purchasing the shoes, nor will I be purchasing this dress. This is just too goofy. Here's what the shoes look like. so you can get a look at them. Just, they're not comfortable. Think they're cute? This is the jumpsuit. It's the tie front detail jumpsuit by Savannah Miller, 9 by Savannah Miller. And so this, I think, is a strange detail to have that there. But, okay, the thing I like about it is that it kind of hides the belly, because this is really, this is kind of a snug fit for me, and I feel like this fabric is a really light, like linen or gauzy type fabric, so it really clings, and you can even, where was it? I noticed that you can see the tags through it, so it's very thin, too thin for my liking, but I'll show it to you. It's almost ankle length, so that's a weird length, I think. I wish it was just a little bit shorter, or floor length, or, you know, full length. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like up close. It's not real impressed with it. There's nothing about this that makes me want to buy it. This is the peach colored dress by the collection DEBENHAN. I hope I'm saying that correct. And so we have, this is just a tank dress. It is about ankle length, and this, again, it all feels a little bit too small. I wish it hung better, because it does kind of hug my tummy, hug my hips, and it just, I wish it was looser. I think I would be happier if it was looser, but then this doesn't fit the top. As I'm trying it on, I'm having issues with the straps, and I know I can continue to pull it down, but it seems like it just keeps riding up, and this top part is a little bit too big. This dress, unfortunately, is a no. I hope, my favorite in just unboxing it was the blue one, so I hope the blue one fits better, but it's by the same designer, and it looks like the same cut. I hope it fits differently, though. Let's cross our fingers. And here's the blue one. This is the same exact dress I just had on, just a different print. It's the same cut. This is by the collection DEBENHAN. Okay, I think this one looks better simply because it's a darker color, but I've got the same issues. It's still, I mean, it's not incredibly tight. You can see I've got a little room here, but this is what it looks like. I've got that little slit in the side, and so far this is the only piece I would consider keeping, but I just don't know. I'm kind of bummed about this box because there's not a hidden gem in it thus far, unless it's the earrings, which I'm not allowed to try on unless I decide to keep them. And you can see these are like an opalescent teal embroidered beaded earring. These are really pretty with the right outfit. I don't know if I have that outfit. They didn't include that outfit, and I'm gonna send these back. So this is the only thing. Do you guys think I should keep this one? Of course it depends on the prices, but I always hope with FASHOM to get the 3 pieces, and unfortunately this one doesn't have 3 pieces in it that I can keep. So let me look at the prices. FASHOM is a new company. It's only been around for a few months, and I think they have a lot to work out, especially on the sizing, because they send a lot of items in every box, and I've only had a few items that have actually fit. So that is kind of disappointing. I get it when it's a miss on occasion, but when the box is kind of a fail because nothing fits right, it's a bummer. I've seen it happen to other people, and I know in my last box I received dresses that I would have purchased had they been a size larger. So I've given my feedback, and I just don't think they haven't figured it out yet. The Pep Hem sleeveless maxi dress is $48.50. I didn't like this dress at all. And I just say good luck. If anybody would pay $48 for that dress, that's a 100% cotton. That feels like my dad's Hanes t-shirt. There's just nothing about that dress that is worth $48.50 in my world. Then next we have the knot front detail jumpsuit. This is $76. So the jumpsuit that I was wearing at the beginning of the video, I got that from FASHOM in my first box, and that jumpsuit was $30. So it's loud, it's unusual, it was $30, which was a big factor in why I purchased it. I love the cut of it, but the price was amazing. This is not an amazing piece, and it's $76. So I'm not going to get it. I don't think it's worth that much. Next we have the Peach Tropical Floral Print Maxi Dress. This is $37. Again, this is 100% cotton, so it already doesn't fit well, but after washing, it will shrink. This feels like something I could pick up. I am certain I could get something very similar to this at Walmart and probably pay less than maybe $15. I hate to say that, but that's truly how I feel about the items that I received in this box. They just don't feel like high quality, and they're ill-fitting. So I'm assuming this dress is the same. This is the floral print round neck maxi dress. This one is $29. I don't get that either. It's the same exact dress in a different print, and I prefer this print. But for $29, I honestly think that's too much for this dress. And I don't mean to be harsh. I am bummed out about the fit and the prices. With FASHOM, this is my third box. All the prices have gone up. I haven't seen the quality go up. And then we have the shoes, and the shoes are $45. And I knew that coming into it, and I thought, you know, that's a fair price. That's actually a great price, but the shoes don't have the quality that I would expect from a pair of shoes. So I do think, again, that is the style that I can find at Target. Right this minute, if I went to Target, that shoe, maybe not in black, but that style is available at Target for probably $30. So that's not happening either. And the embroidered floral bead earrings are $25. And you know what? These are unusual. They're a pretty color. And if I had an outfit to wear with these, I might consider buying these. But I'm not going to buy them, and I don't get it, because all the jewelry that they have sent me in the past, I was able to actually try on, and I actually kept it because I could try it on. I don't know if that's really a factor in jewelry, but you know what? I'm not going to keep anything in this box. And they let me try this 3 months risk-free. There was no style fee, and postage was free both ways. And I appreciate that. It has been a lot of fun trying this new style box. They are relatively new, so I think they have sizing issues to work out. I think they have pricing issues to work out. They just are growing, and I think I might put them on hold until they come into their own, and I will try FASHOM again. It just maybe going to be a little while. So I do have another video coming out for you in 2 days. I hope you will be on the lookout for that. Please give this video a thumbs up and lift my spirits a little bit. I sure appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in just a couple days. Blessings to you.